I'm really impressed with this car vacuum and blower. Now it comes in this good looking case, which is really impressive. And here's the unit itself. I like it. So this is the vacuum end and this is the blower end. So let's show the vacuum end first. So you're simply going to slide this guy in here. Now you're ready, and it has 3 speeds. So once you turn it on, it starts to suck. So let's see how it works here. It does a pretty good job. Now I can see with some of these attachments, it's gonna be perfect for my car. You know, imagine the space in between your seats and you gotta get in there with something really tight. We also just use this on our dryer to get the lint that's down in there. That's one of my wife's pet peeves. This was perfect for that. Now, if you wanna switch it around and you wanna go the other direction, simply take this guy off. So now air is gonna suck in through here and it's gonna get blown out here. And you could put this guy on, so it's really gonna get you a concentrated airflow. Check this guy out. This would be great on like a computer keyboard or something like that. Or you know what, I just thought of this. Have you seen the guys at the car wash? They'll use a blower like this to get cracks, dust and crumbs out of really tight spots. It's really cool. I'm impressed with this guy. And of course it comes with another filter, boatload of attachments. I mean, you've got some really fine attachments. If you're using this as the blower, that's really gonna create some air. Of course, it comes with the charge cord, USB-C. I'm impressed with this guy. I look forward to using it. I recommend it.